This video is a brief overview about motion equations. I will talk about the different equations we will use and how to go about solving problems with motion equations. Constant velocity is when an object moves at a constant rate with no acceleration. There is the equation for constant velocity. Constant acceleration is when an object is speeding up or slowing down at a constant rate. These are the three equations for constant acceleration. You may notice that the symbol V with an O at the bottom right and just regular V. You should remember that the VO or V naught is equal to the initial velocity and the regular V is equal to the final velocity. When solving with motion equations, always make a table. That table should look like this. Now, let's do an example problem. A race car is moving down the track at 60 meters per second when it begins to slow down at a constant rate until it is moving at 20 meters per second. This all occurs in 3 seconds. We know that we need to find the car's acceleration. We know that the initial velocity is equal to 60 meters per second, the final velocity is equal to 20 meters per second, and the time is 3 seconds. So, for this problem, we should use this equation to find the acceleration. To do this, we must plug in the known values, then solve for A. The next thing we need to find out is the displacement of the car. In other words, how far did it travel? First, we need to make our table. We know that the initial velocity is 60 meters per second, the final velocity 20 meters per second, the acceleration negative 13.3 meters per second squared, and the time is 3 seconds. So for this problem we will need to use this equation. We plug in our variables and do some basic arithmetic to find that the car traveled 120 meters.